When my body moves in a coordinated rhythm, synchronization and mindfulness increases. Namaste friends, today's topic is Utkat Asana, the upraised posture. As the name represents, Ut means raised and Kati means your waist. So we are going to raise our waist coming onto our heels, and then we are going to sit down on our toes, and then again we are going to rise up. Utkat Asana enables a great neuromuscular coordination because in this posture you are coming onto your toes and sitting down onto your toes. So this asana is going to give you a lot of neuromuscular coordination and will give you a lot of awareness about your body. Before going into the asana, let's see some contraindications and limitations about Utkat Asana. If you have acute arthritis or vertigo, sciatica or any kind of stiff joints, do not perform this posture or take a doctor's advice before going into any kind of asana, any kind of yoga practice or exercise. So if you are a cardiac patient, do not retain your breath. You can breathe normal and go into the posture and go a little slow. That's the key. Now let's see how to perform this posture.
Namaste everyone. Starting position. Stand erect. Hands by your side. Now take 1 foot distance between your feet and feet are parallel to each other. Now focus at one point, and while inhaling raise your hands, palms facing downward and your heels. Now sit onto your toes while exhaling and be there for some time. Now while inhaling come up and be in this position for some time and then release very gently. Your heels and palms will come down together. Now we'll see one more time. Focus at one point so that you don't sway here and there, and try to focus in your breathing pattern and go down and be there. Retain your breath here, and then while inhaling come up. Engage your core in this posture so that you are not forcing your back while sitting, and you are sitting in the squat position. Your thighs are not flaring, they are parallel to each other. Now come up and release the posture while exhaling. Thank you so much. Namaste.
As you have seen, in this posture you require a lot of focus, and when you focus at one point you are able to perform this posture very easily, and you are getting a lot of benefits from this posture. But before that, I would like to ask you what benefits you are experiencing. And if you're not able to perform this posture, you can ask me in the comment box any question regarding this posture or regarding the benefits. So I'll surely reply to your questions. And now I would like to tell you about some benefits about this posture. So physical benefits. It strengthens your core, your legs and many more muscles of your body. Flexibility of your joint increases by performing this posture. It enhances the balancing capacity of your body. Now therapeutic benefits. With the regular practice, you can lose weight from your hip area. This posture will give you a lot of relief from joint pains and your back pain. Now psychological benefits. It develops steadiness of mind. It increases focus and concentration. So this asana, this posture is really very good for your kids. Let them perform this posture. They will increase their capacity of focusing and concentration. Regular practice of this posture will enable a great determination and focus. As we have seen that there are a lot of benefits about Utkat Asana, the upraised posture. Do perform this posture and let me know in the comment box how many times you are performing or how much time you are retaining into this posture. So if you are performing this posture and staying in this posture for some time, this posture will give you a lot more benefits. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel for the next coming videos, and share this video with your friends and family so that they can have this beautiful knowledge about Utkarasana, the upraised posture. Thank you so much. Namaste.